Okay, I think we got a new forklift operator, which does not make me feel all warm and fuzzy inside. But he's gonna roll this damn thing. He's got the long forks on, but I think he needs to get it closer to the forklift. Okay. Well, if he drops it, we're gonna get it on video. Oh my God, please don't. Yeah. Actually, yeah, like, yeah, that's a good position right there. Well, probably because it's sticking too far out, you got to get under it better. Because the farther out it's on the forks, the less power the forklift has. It's 4,000 pounds. That thing can lift it. Because he's losing his power as he's farther. There you go. Now he's going to get the power. Yeah, there you go. Because he's got the long forks. There, see? Yeah. Just go slow. How do you say slow? Yeah, nice and slow. He's gonna have to come up more. He's gonna hit the rail. There you go. Yeah, nice and slow. And then it's gonna have to be centered, yeah. Yeah, there you go. Yeah. Sure, it's on. Shit, I wish him. Can he go to the right more or no?
No.
He can't switch the forks to make it go more to the right? Yeah. Like right here. This right here. Yeah. There you go. You got this. Yeah, yes. Just like that. Yes. Perfect. And then we just got to center it. Oh.
Ahí está bien. Otra vez, levántalo. Mételo.
Tip that thing.
Así, apúchalo.
Oh.
Despacio.
Yep.
Poquito más.
He's got it.
Poquito más. Dale más. Poquito más.
Yep. A little more.
Ahí está.
A little more.
Yeah,
A little more because he's not centered. Look, it's got to be like right here,
okay.
So that it's centered. Because I'm using the orange as the gauge.
Okay.
A little more. Poquito más. Right there. Good. That's good. Yeah. Perfect. All right. Good job.